Welcome to MedicoApps PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing very interesting question from Conservative and Endo department, and this was asked in the year 2024. Question says that a patient presents with pink spot on the tooth in the crown portion. There is resorption of the dentine and the pulpal. Radiolucency is seen in the central portion of the canal, and they were asking about the diagnosis. Options given were odontoclastoma and pulpal dysplasia was option B. Odontoma was option C, and chronic hyperplastic pulpitis, which is the other name for pulp polyp, and that is option D.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Correct answer, they have themselves mentioned pink tooth, pink tooth. So pink tooth of mammary is odontoclastoma. So here you can see pink tooth of mammary. Basically, this is internal resorption. Here also you can see widening of the canal, and you can say resorption of the dentine, which was mentioned in the question again. This is the IUPR of this case. Here also you can see pinkish hue. Now, why you are seeing this pinkish hue? Due to vascularization, and there is granulation tissue formation after the internal resorption, which will lead to pink tooth, right? So this is the basic reason. Whenever you are seeing these three things, first thing is the pink color tooth, which is the characteristic of odontoclastoma. Then second, there is granulation tissue because of which it is appearing pink. Then third thing is a resorption in the dentine, like here in this radiograph you can see. So all these things, they are pointing out towards the diagnosis of odontoclastoma. So this is the correct answer. Pulpal dysplasia, no, this is not pulpal dysplasia. It refers to the developmental abnormalities affecting the dental pulp. So this is not pulpal dysplasia. Odontoma, again, compound odontoma, complex odontoma, several times we have discussed. They are hematomatous tumors. They are not going to be appear pink in the oral cavity. Okay. Next thing was pulp polyp. Again, pulp polyp is a separate thing. We have discussed a question on pulp polyp, gingival polyp as well. You can check that question. So the correct answer is odontoclastoma. Thank you.